Footprints in the white so cold, whispers of the stories told. My heart beats while the world unfolds on this snow-covered road. Frosty breath in the morning light, dreams dance in the silent night. Eyes gleam with the future bright on this snow-covered road. Walking through winter's dream, life is more than it may seem. Every step a poetry stream on this snow-covered road. Wind howls through the pines so tall, echoes answer every call. No cares if we rise or fall on this snow-covered road. In this quiet we find our song, together we belong. Moments here last so long on this snow-covered road. Walking through a winter's dream, life is more than it may seem.